Daddy's cleaning the car. Did it snow last night? Still snowing. Ooh. What do you see? What's Daddy doing? What's Daddy doing? Hurry?
Hurry, Dada.
Go by Dada. Snow. Daddy's cleaning the car. Come here. Walk where it's shoveled.
You want a shovel?
Help Dada. Look, there's a shovel right there. Come here.
What, Dada?
Go get Dada. Car. Daddy's cleaning it off. That's Mommy's car. Can you go get it? What's that? You're gonna help shovel? Clean up. Clean it up. What's the matter? Mommy has socks in your hands. I know, it's cold out here. Can you get it? Daddy has gloves on his hands.
Yeah.
Daddy's cleaning up. I'm sorry, right here. Clean up the car. Can you clean up the car? Not with the shovel, though. You're gonna dig? Dig.
No.
You're gonna dig very good digging. Come here, Vincent. You're digging? What a big boy you are. You got the shovel? Let's go get the neighbor's yard and charge them like 20 bucks. Ooh, look at you. Scoop. Scoop. My goodness. My goodness, you guess. Should we make a snowman? Dig. Dig. Huh? What are you doing? Cleaning off a car. Uh-oh, you get more snow on you than you're cleaning up. You got some snow on you. No, I don't think that's a good idea.